Why is a song you don't even understand stuck in your head? Why are people learning Korean because of music? And how did a small entertainment industry from South Korea take over YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, fashion, beauty, and even Hollywood? This is not luck, this is not hype. This is one of the smartest cultural takeovers in modern history. Today I will tell you why this K-pop entertainment trend exploded worldwide and why the future of global entertainment may never be the same again. Let's go back in time, before K-pop ruled the internet, before sold out stadiums in the US and Europe, before global fandoms that feel like armies. South Korea was not known for music exports at all. In fact, in the 1990s, South Korea was still recovering economically. So how did a country smaller than many Indian states build a global cultural empire? The answer starts with a decision most countries never make. After an economic crisis in the late 1990s, South Korea asked a dangerous question. What if culture could become our biggest export? Instead of only focusing on factories and technology, they invested in music, movies, TV shows, fashion, and pop culture. Entertainment was treated like an infrastructure, not random artists, not overnight fame, but a system. A system designed to win globally. And that system created what now we call K-pop. Here's something most people don't realize. K-pop is not just music, it's a complete experience. Every idol is trained for years in singing, dancing, fitness, acting, languages, camera presence, and even social media behavior. Can you believe that? Some trainees train for 7 to 10 years before even debuting. This isn't talent hunting, this is talent manufacturing. That's why groups like BTS and Blackpink feel polished, confident, and global ready. They don't just perform, they command attention. Now here's the shocking part. Most global fans don't speak Korean. So why did K-pop still win? Because emotion travels faster than language. The beats are addictive, the visuals are cinematic, the emotions are universal like love, struggle, confidence, loneliness, ambition. And instead of translating the music to English, K-pop made the world come to them. Fans learned lyrics, fans learned Korean words, and fans felt included. That flipped the power dynamic. If K-pop was born in studios, it grew on the internet. YouTube was the turning point. High quality music videos with insane choreography were perfect for replay culture. People didn't just listen, they watched again and again. Then came reaction videos, dance covers, fan edits, TikTok challenges. K-pop didn't fight algorithm, it fed them. Even fan became a marketer. Every comment became promotion and no ads could compete with that. This is where K-pop changed the rules. Fans were not treated like a customer, they were treated like a family. Artists talked directly to them. Live streams, personal messages, behind the scene content, emotional storytelling. Fans didn't just support music, they supported people. That emotional bond created fandoms that feel stronger than a sports team. When an artist wins, fans win. When an artist struggles, fans defend. That loyalty is priceless. Then something bigger happened. The same formula was used in movies, web series, fashion, beauty, gaming, and suddenly the world was watching Korean content everywhere. And a perfect example, Squid Game. A non-English show became one of the biggest series in Netflix history. No big Hollywood actors, no English dialogues, just strong storytelling. That proved something powerful. The world doesn't want English content, the world wants good content. K-pop didn't target everyone, it targeted youth first. Teenagers, college students, young professionals. Why? Because youth culture shapes trends, controls social media, influences spending, decides what's cool. And once Gen Z accepted the K-pop, millennials followed, the brands followed, then Hollywood followed. That's how cultural domination works. K-pop idols didn't just sell music, they sold a lifestyle. Hair colors became trends, clothing styles were global, skincare routines went viral, men wearing makeup suddenly it's a normal thing. Gender fluid fashion widely accepted. K-pop didn't push culture, it normalized it, and youth loved that freedom. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Many countries have talented artists, very few have discipline at scale. K-pop won because of consistency, training, quality control, long-term thinking. No shortcuts, no overnight fame obsession, just relentless improvement. That's why it didn't fade like a trend. Some people say K-pop is just a bubble, but bubbles burst and K-pop didn't. Because it keeps evolving. AI visuals, virtual idols, global collaborations, English plus Korean mixes, it adapts faster than critics, and that's why it keeps winning. So why did this K-pop entertainment trend explode worldwide? Because it understood three things most industries ignore. Emotion beats language, community beats marketing, discipline beats raw talent. This was not accidental. This was cultural engineering done right. And the biggest lesson, in the future, the world won't belong to the loudest culture. It will belong to the most intentional one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video so YouTube knows you want more content like this. Comment below when did you first discover K-pop or Korean entertainment, and subscribe because the next video will expose the next global culture that might dominate the world.